Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Indigenes of Ugborodo in Warri South local government area of Delta State have hailed the Nigerian Upstream Petroleum Regulatory Commission, NUPRC, for its intervention over the crisis they have had with Chevron Nigeria Limited. They thank the NUPRC for insisting that the Petroleum Industry Act PIA must be implemented to the letter as it concerns the establishment of Host Community Development Trust and its Board of Trustees. The Ugborodo people spoke to Inside the Niger Delta shortly after an emergency meeting in the community to appraise the fallouts of the recent tripartite meeting between the community, NUPRC, and Chevron Nigeria Limited.
The Chief Executive Officer of the NUPRC himself, Engineer Gbenga Komolafe, was very clear, was very unambiguous when he said the PIA itself and the accompanying regulations made pursuant to the PIA does not recognize palaces, does not recognize traditional rulers, does not recognize ethnicity. What the extant laws guiding the PIA recognize are the host communities.
I was in the meeting in Abuja regarding the PIA, and it was clear that the commission say the PIA is for host community, nothing else, that Chevron should come and deal with the host community.
Inside the Niger Delta.